Hey, Gary Becker here with 30minutemarketing.net. So you found the perfect product on Clickbank. You're on the marketplace and this is a product that you use. It has great conversions, low refund rate, and you like the numbers and you're going to promote it using YouTube. So what do you need to actually know when you start to create YouTube videos to use them for affiliate marketing traffic, specifically for a Clickbank offer? Well, there's 3 words you need to know. And we'll just call these the money words. The first word being intent. It means you have a clear intentions or purpose. You're setting an objective. You have an actual goal or a target. So what does that mean? You have an actual goal or a target. You have a clear intent on the video that you're making. The reason you're making the content, in this case, is to get traffic for your affiliate offer. So you need to think about what the person that is searching on YouTube is thinking and what they are looking for and how you can deliver on that in your content and then move them over to the affiliate offer. Typically on YouTube, people come and they search how to. So in this case, the intent is how to draw or how to tie a tie or how to lose weight fast. If someone searches for how to lose weight fast, you're going to see a ton of ads here, but you're also going to see specific videos that are made to answer the question: lose weight fast, how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight fast, 7 tips to lose weight fast for teenagers at home, how to lose weight for teenagers, how to lose weight fast, 40 pounds in 2 months, no exercise. Now, I don't know if those videos are actually being used for Clickbank offers, but they most certainly could be, because the intent here is set because they have a clear purpose and an objective. And if the person is making these videos understands and has a clear target, meaning they are trying to move their traffic from their videos over to the affiliate offer, then these headlines and the content in these videos could actually serve the purpose. But is there a better word or a word that you could add to intent to make these videos even better to move traffic from YouTube over to your Clickbank affiliate offer? How about the word buyer? A person who makes a purchase. A shopper, a customer, a consumer, a buyer, a person that makes a purchase. How about buyer plus intent or buyer intent? This is a buyer, a person who makes a purchase with a clear goal. And this is your target when you're making YouTube videos and you're trying to move that traffic from that YouTube video over to your affiliate offer. So think about buyer intent and the keywords that a buyer is going to use when their intent is to make a purchase. So how about a word like, what is the best product for acne, for hair growth, for acne, for eyebrows? Review is another word that is used to satisfy buyer intent when someone is searching on YouTube. So back over on Clickbank, again, you found this perfect product, and the name of the product is, in this case, Speechello. So if someone knows the product, that buyer knows this product, has heard of this product before, then your work here is a whole lot easier because they are looking for more information about the product, and that's where the word that we just looked at, review, comes into play when you're creating your content and your titles over on YouTube. Simply because at this point, someone's going to type in the product name, in this case Speechello, and then they're going to type in review. At that point, your video is going to rank and you're going to have the opportunity to get traffic by people watching your video, those people being buyers with the intent to purchase because they're looking for a review of the product because they want to know how good it is before they actually spend their money on it, and they're looking for recommendations. And that's your job when you create content on YouTube, is to create content that satisfies that searcher's intent or that buyer that has the intent of purchasing a product, in this case, the product that you're reviewing, which is Speechello. At this point, all this should be making sense. They're putting these words together. The word intent, someone with a purpose or a goal. Buyer, someone who is looking to buy. Buyer intent, that is the person is looking to buy the product that you're selling. So at this point, you need one more word to make this all come together to really maximize this effort of you putting content on YouTube to satisfy these people that are looking for the product. Again, these buyers with the intent of buying. You need this one last word, and that word is congruent, in agreement or harmony. And even though congruent is a big word, It really has a simple point here. The point is you want your message to be the same or similar to what the sales page is saying. So when you move people from your review video over to the sales page, your message stays congruent, and that buyer with the intent of actually buying doesn't get confused at any step or look at the page and be like, well, is this the thing that I just watched a review on? In your content, make it clear that the thing you're reviewing and the reason you're reviewing it and the reason they should buy it is exactly what they're offering on the sales page. This video, perfect example, Speechello review and walkthrough, is the auto voice any good? It's going to answer the question, is this product really any good? And then take a look at this first screen. This is an image of the sales page. He's actually showing the sales page in the video. So then when someone scrolls down and clicks on buy Speechello because they're ready to buy and they're going to buy through this link, they click this link and they are offered up a congruent image of the exact same image they just saw in the video, which is the sales page. And now you put these three things together, you've satisfied the intent of the buyer and you've kept the message congruent, and now they're on the sales page, they're going to click, they're going to buy, and you're going to make an affiliate commission from a product that you recommended using a buyer intent keyword for that person that is searching that has the goal or the intent of buying this product by doing a product review. It's really not any more complicated than that. And if you would like to see exactly how this works step by step, go ahead, click on the video you see on the screen right now. You're really going to be amazed how simple this traffic blueprint really is. So watch that video and I'll see you over there and I'll talk to you later. Bye.